So I print this white part. It's about an inch thick, and then it has these kind of knobs on it where you can hole punch for the overhead transparency part to fit on. And then there's kind of this bottom part, which is optional. It's just to kind of provide a little bit more rigidity to it. And then you can use whatever you want in the back to hold it on. I have a bunch of rubber bands, so that's what I've been using. I have a contact at UNC Rex Hospital over on Lake Boone, who he has a direct connection to the head of the ER there. And so he told me they have an immediate need. So the way that I understand it, and I'm not a healthcare professional, so so they wear their masks over their nose and their mouth, right? And then the other risk is from airborne particulates, like when you sneeze or cough, which can get in through your eyes or through your nose or anywhere where you might get the virus in. So the shield provides that little bit of extra protection. Yeah, I mean, it's fast moving, so like you can see the printer going in the background. It's actually, I'm printing a brand new design that just got approved by the National Institute of Health. And so it adds in a kind of a shield that goes up and over the wearer's kind of head a little bit, so that there's no air able to get in from the top down. And so this is the third or fourth design that I think I've printed. And so yeah, it's very fast moving. I started with getusppe.org, and they list out kind of all the different things that you can do, from sewing surgical masks out of everyday fabric to creating face shields if you're 3D printing them, how to do it, what type of material is best, and how to sanitize them. And then they also have lists of the donation centers. So if a hospital is accepting donations, what are they accepting? And are they accepting like goods that you have made yourself? And then they have like some contact phone numbers on there as well.